What is it? There is this footage that was recorded from a while ago. What is it? It's just nothing. It's just a regular old tower just standing there, acting a little obnoxious. I don't know what is going to happen, but is the tower going to move? What's the worst that can happen? Did that tower just turn around and look at you? I think it did. What the freak is that video? What the heck was that video? I think we gotta call the United States government right now. Hello, this is the United States government speaking. What do you want from the president? I have something urgent to tell you. What is it? Wait. No. A tower in Las Vegas was moving. Huh? How was a tower in Las Vegas moving? We don't know, but we'll get through it soon. Yeah. Going up today. Well, a tower has been reported moving, so we gotta get a moving service here right now. We need moving services. Oh, come on. We don't have much time. We gotta send this. We gotta send it to the emergency alert system right now. And okay, and we should send this to everybody in the United States. Capiche? Okay. I'll see you next time. We interrupt your regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow.
The following message was transmitted at the request of the United States government. The United States government discovered that a tower has been moving in Las Vegas. We don't know what it's called, but once the United States government figure it out, we will tune to stations providing news and it to public in assigned areas. Stay tuned for more following updates about this moving tower.
Okay, everybody. According to my AI calculations, the tower that was moving in Las Vegas is called... That moving tower is called the Tower of Power. If you guys ever seen the Tower of Power, seek shelter immediately because it's very hostile at this time. We are going to call the United States government and tell them we figured out what the tower's name is. Hello? This is the president speaking. Well, I'm here to tell you that the moving tower in Las Vegas has been identified at this time. What's it called now? Tell me now! I want to know what it is! It's called the Tower of Power. You mean the power of a tower? Bruh! We have a channel like that. Okay. We will tell all residents that we have figured out what is the Tower of Power. Alright. See you guys soon.
The following message was transmitted at the request of the United States government. The moving tower has been identified at this time. It's the Tower of Power. We all know that tower and power all rhyme, but this very urgent at this time. It's pretending to be a normal tower and looks at people staring at you. And the wires are broken off of the tower, and the tower uses its legs to attack. We hope other towers don't get infected. If they do, then it's the end of the world as we know it. Stay tuned for more updates on the Tower of Power.
Comrade, what is it? The towers one of the towers have been mind controlled by the Tower of Power. What? Look! The towers are now faster! Call the President of the United States! Hello, it's the President, Joe Biden. I knew we would meet again. What's the big deal about the Tower of Power? More towers have been alive. More towers are alive? You kidding me? Oh, no, this can't be. Fine. We will tell everyone about it, and it's the end of the world as we know it. Freak.
Happy birthday! Surprise!
Since he was born, Grimace has always had a birthday.
Thanks.
And since he's had a birthday,
Smile.
he's always had it at McDonald's. So this June, we're all invited to the party with a special shake to celebrate. Get Grimace's birthday shake when you order his birthday meal.
Programming has been interrupted due to the rampage of the Tower of Power. All programming has been interrupted. Please stand by.
This is not us at 5
muscles.